Looky there, we're getting rain. Woohoo! It's been a long time coming. We kept getting circled by the clouds. Last night I was sitting on the couch and watching the lightning and heard a little bit of thunder, but I guess it wasn't close enough to actually get any rain. But I hear some thunder now. Whew, let me see how far I can get out before the door before the rain starts getting me. I opened it a minute ago and closed it back really fast. Yeah, it's a nice sound out here in the high desert. Yeah, thank God for the good soaking rain. Yep, a little bit of thunder out there. So I hope you guys are doing well. God bless you. Stay safe and keep looking up. Much love for now.